Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a few ways how we can make money with SwagBucks. The first way how we can actually make money is with the coupons and just cashback. So what does it mean? That you would buy actually something from Amazon and then you would get like 4% back. This is a really great way how we can make money, but I'm going to show you a really great way how we can make money with it without actually investing, that you wouldn't invest at all and you would just earn money. I will explain later in the video. The second how we can make money is through the paid survey, that you would actually fill out the service and then you would get, like, let me show you. SwagBucks rewards you when you complete surveys, earn free gift cards for your time, or use your rewards towards sweepstakes for even bigger prizes, cash out with your PayPal account or Visa gift card. So that's another way how we can make money. Or what you can do, the last thing, is discover deals. So earn up to offer from our trusted partners. You see that you're gonna have like plenty of ways how you can make money. 51, earn 200, 100, 1200 SB. So there are multiple ways how you can make money, but I'm going to actually focus on the first one that I showed you with the cashback, and also with that you would earn with the discounts, with the coupons. So what you need to do is to actually sell something on eBay and buy it on Amazon. How does it work is, let's say that I would just go on ebay.com, and let's say that I'm going to get an Amazon. Let's say that I would get a cashback from Amazon 4%. So let's say that I'm going to, like, I don't know, exercise bikes. What I could do, or even from Craigslist, it doesn't matter. What I could do is to simply take this product and sell it on eBay. But what you can do is just, like, plenty of people are doing this. They are like getting from sites and then they are sending it on eBay. Like, they are taking Amazon, selling on eBay for 20, 30, 40 bucks more. Then they are going to buy it with a cashback on Amazon, like they would buy it, but they are going to deliver it to someone else. So therefore, not only are you going to make money that you would actually get it from Amazon to eBay, you're going to make also money from the cashback from it. So this is a really great way how you can make money, and that's the first way. The second way, what you can do is actually create videos about how you do it. It's really fascinating how it works. So what you could do is to get few sales here and there, and then make a video how you earn money on it. And you're gonna make even money from YouTube. So if you like to create a YouTube channel, what you can do is to get down the link down below in the description on how you can make money with YouTube. I created 7 tips what you should focus on when you're creating YouTube channel, and it will be really beneficial to you, how you can actually build successful YouTube channel. So that's something you should definitely focus on if you want to build something long-term meaningful, because this is fine, but you always have to do it. So with the SwagBucks, etc., it's fine if you want to just, like, I don't know, get sales here and there, but you need to, like, work really hard, because you need to find those products which are good, then sell them on eBay or other tools. So I'm going to get from Amazon, I would sell on Craigslist or eBay or like Redbubble, whatever, and then you need to buy it, but you have to do it all the time. People are not going to be satisfied. They can get, like, they want the money back, etc. But creating YouTube videos is a great way how you can actually make money if you want to build something like real long term and really meaningful. So you just, like, come here and you can create how much money I made on Amazon, and you will make video Amazon strategies, selling with eBay. So that's something you can definitely do, and it's, like, really effective and really meaningful. So how, like, I don't know, eBay, how to make money, and you would show your statistics. And this is really great way how you can actually earn a living and earn a good money from it. So I would definitely recommend doing it, and you would see by yourself that can be really beneficial and really effective how we can make money. Now, I've been on YouTube for a really long time, for like 4 years right now, and 5 years, but first year I didn't earn much money. And right now, on point, I earn good living, and I uploaded more than 4,000 videos. So if you'd like to go on this road, that you would like to earn living from YouTube, I can help you with that. I really believe in it. So this is the really great way Now, again, as I mentioned, you have to test a lot of things. It's not going to work straight away like it's like this, right? It's going to take a little bit of work, a little bit of practice to what kind of things you can sell. Mainly, maybe like woman clothes. That's something effective that you can sell. And purses can be a great way too. So like a jet travel, let's see. And I could possibly sell it here. So this is something that I could sell. But as you can see, it's like $87 here. And what is like 83, 87. Some of the prices are really low right now. So like this facing you that plenty of women who bought it here, they're stopped using it. And they like added here with lower price because they don't need it. But as you can see, there are like these are all from mainly AliExpress. So this is something you need to keep in mind. It's going to take a little bit of time to research it, etc. But again, my recommendation, what I would do. With a discount sales page, it's a great way how you can make money. Then you're gonna have like paid service, definitely use it. That's like my summarization, what you should focus on. And then with the discover, my recommendation is you need to focus in on long term. Don't expect to have like a result straight away in a day, in 1 month. It can take even longer time. And definitely focus on way how you can make like passive income from YouTube and YouTube channel, and how you can actually make a living, and how you can build something more meaningful that can be really beneficial for you to like build things and create them. Now what you can do is not only use SwagBucks, but what you can come here, SwagBucks versus, and you would compare it to like Survey Junkie. See? I got access denied for some reason. My Points is a great website too. And you can use that to like Best Buy, so you could sell something with Target and sell it on Amazon from the one to the Best Buy, and really find the ways how you can make money. You need to do a lot of research. Like there was a saying that if someone would give me an axe that I should cut a tree, I would be preparing the axe for the like 10 hours, and then I would be starting cutting the tree. Many people just grow straight away. They just like try to sell products, etc., and it won't work. What you have to do is just do the preparation, actually focus on research, and after that you would be possible to actually make a living out of it, right? So that's pretty much it, how you can make money. Again, guys, if you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be pretty happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.